Good morning mga birds! Dabarkads! Eto na, dumating na ang ating pinakahihintay. Woohoo! New toys for the big boys. So, let's see what's inside of this. And we can see by sorry. Tailor-made. Tama nga, ganun nga. Tailor-made. Okay? Always for the big boys. Unboxing of tailor-made. Okay. There you go. Ito na siya. Wow! Wow! Naka-plastic pa. Excited. Tailor-made. Wow. Eto na po. Wow. Grabe. Look at that. Oh, wow. Parang nakakaawang magasgas ah. This is tailor-made M6. Okay? Tailor-made M6. Evenflow Project X. Wow. Grabe. Cannot be reached. Eto na, may kasama pang sariling cover. Let's see the cover. There you go. The cover. M6. Wow. This is so beautiful. I will try this on Sunday. Or maybe tomorrow night. Okay? So, this is it. Tailor-made M6 D-Type. My new toy. Toys for the big boys. Bye-bye.